William Shakespeare's Julius Caesar is a tragic play that delves into the themes of power, betrayal, and the moral complexities of political ambition. Written in 1599, it remains a powerful exploration of political intrigue and personal morality. Plot summary. The play is set in Rome and begins with the celebration of Julius Caesar's recent military victory. Caesar, a successful general, is hailed as a hero, but his growing power alarms some senators who fear he might become a tyrant. The central conspiracy against Caesar is led by Cassius, who envies Caesar's success and believes that his ambition will lead to the downfall of the Roman Republic. Cassius persuades Brutus, a respected senator and friend of Caesar, to join the plot, appealing to his sense of honor and duty to Rome. Brutus is convinced that assassinating Caesar is necessary to prevent him from becoming a dictator. The conspiracy culminates in Caesar's murder on the Ides of March, a dramatic event that shakes Rome. Caesar's last words, "Et tu, Brute," expressed in shock at Brutus's betrayal, highlight the personal nature of the betrayal and the central conflict between public duty and personal loyalty. Themes and characters. Power and ambition. The play explores the corrupting influence of power and the destructive potential of ambition. Caesar's rise to power and the conspirators' actions underscore the dangers inherent in political ambition and the fragility of political systems. Betrayal and trust. Betrayal is a core theme, exemplified by the assassination of Caesar by those he considered allies. Brutus's internal conflict over his role in the conspiracy reflects the moral complexity of betrayal and the impact it has on relationships and governance. Rhetoric and manipulation. Mark Antony's funeral oration is a masterful example of rhetorical manipulation. By appealing to the emotions of the crowd and casting doubt on the conspirators' motives, Antony effectively turns public opinion against Brutus and Cassius, inciting a riot and contributing to the ensuing chaos. Public versus private persona. The play also examines the contrast between public appearances and private motives. Caesar's public image as a benevolent leader contrasts with the conspirators' private fears about his ambition. Similarly, Brutus's public justification for the assassination is at odds with his personal struggle and sense of honor. Major characters. Julius Caesar. The play's title character, Caesar, is a charismatic and ambitious leader whose assassination becomes the focal point of the drama. His death triggers the central conflict and highlights the themes of power and betrayal. Brutus. A senator known for his honor and integrity. Brutus's involvement in the conspiracy is driven by his belief that he is acting for the greater good of Rome. His internal conflict and tragic downfall make him a central figure in the play's exploration of moral ambiguity. Cassius. The main instigator of the conspiracy, Cassius is motivated by envy and a desire for power. His manipulation of Brutus reflects his own ambition and resentment. Mark Antony. Caesar's loyal friend and a skilled orator, Antony's actions following Caesar's death demonstrate his political acumen and ability to sway public sentiment, leading to the play's dramatic climax. Historical and literary context. Julius Caesar reflects the political anxieties of Shakespeare's time, particularly concerns about monarchy and republicanism. While drawing on historical sources such as Plutarch's Lives, Shakespeare adapts the events to create a dramatic narrative that continues to resonate with audiences today. In summary, Shakespeare's Julius Caesar is a compelling tragedy that explores the complexities of power, betrayal, and moral conflict. Through its intricate plot and rich character development, the play offers a profound commentary on the nature of political ambition and the consequences of betrayal.